and welcome to Rolfs garage. Today we only take a short time in the garage this evening, and I'm trying to put that stand on the motor. Um, yeah, let's see. So I have created or I cut off some threaded bar for the upper ones, but this lower one is too long, and the bolts that's in the motor is not long enough to, to use this one. I'm trying to fix that somehow. So I have cut myself some flat irons and some tube uh, and drilled some holes. Now I need to see if I find a larger drill bit. Uh, I might have to use the step drill. Let's see. Step drill it is. So let's see if we can get a big enough hole. So the hole is big enough for the engine mounts. But these, um, yeah, it's a bit too small, so I have to drill a bit more in one of the holes. And now, since that is much thinner than the other one, I need to add some washers here. I'll see if I can use this. Probably need to drill the holes. Yeah, let's see. Decided to use pipe instead. Let's see if we can get this to fit. So, the engine stand is there. I think we should be able to hang the motor on that. Now, next step is to lift the motor up. I have a couple of options. I have that A frame and a chain block over there. I might bring that forward after I clean up this yet. Or maybe I'll ask someone to help me. But that's something for another day. If you like seeing me wrenching or other stuff, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.